In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to italicize text in Google Vids. Embarking on the journey of creating visually compelling content often entails not only the content itself, but how it's presented. A critical part of this presentation is the text styling, which can drastically enhance the way information is received by your audience. Italicizing text, for example, can emphasize points, denote titles, or highlight important concepts within your Google Vids project. Let's dive into how you can accomplish this with a few simple steps. First, we begin by navigating to Google Vids. If you haven't heard of it before, Google Vids is part of the Google Workspace, offering fantastic tools for video creation and editing. In your web browser, type in the URL for Google Vids or simply search for it, and you'll find yourself at the home page of this versatile platform. Once you're there, your next step is to sign in. Look for the sign in button prominently displayed on the page. Clicking this will lead you to the familiar Google sign-in procedure. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one you want to use for your Google Vids projects. This could be your personal account or one associated with a specific workspace or organization. After you've successfully signed in, it's time to get to the heart of the matter. Italicizing your text. You'll need to have a video project open or start a new one for this purpose. Once you're in your project's editing view, find the text you wish to italicize. If you haven't added text yet, go ahead and do so by selecting the appropriate option to add text to your video. With your text in place, click and drag to highlight the portion you want to italicize. This action selects the text, making it ready for formatting changes. Whether it's a single word, a sentence, or an entire block of text, the process is the same. Next on your agenda is the Format option. Beside or above your highlighted text, you should see the editing toolbar. Locate and click on the Format button. This expands a drop-down menu filled with various formatting options to customize your text. Formatting is where the magic happens, allowing you to transform the visual appearance of your words to better suit the tone and style of your video. After opening the Format menu, look for the Text option. Clicking on this reveals another set of choices specifically related to text styling, including size, alignment, and crucially for us, style. Style adjustments are where you'll find the option to italicize your text, among other stylistic changes such as bolding or underlining. Finally, within the text styling options, locate the Italic button. It's usually symbolized by the letter I, slanted to the right. A simple click on this button and voila, your selected text instantly adopts an elegant italic style. This small change can make a significant impact, offering a visual cue to your viewers that this text plays a particular role in your narrational content. Remember, the beauty of Google Vids and similar platforms lies in their flexibility. Don't be afraid to experiment with different text styles, including italicization, to discover what best enhances your message and engages your audience. Whether you're emphasizing dialogue, indicating thoughts, or highlighting titles, italicizing text is a powerful tool in your video editing arsenal. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to italicizing text in Google Vids. Styling your text not only aids in conveying your message more effectively, but also adds a professional touch to your videos. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering yet another aspect of video editing that can make your content stand out. So go ahead, give your words the emphasis they deserve, and watch as your videos transform from simple projects to engaging dynamic stories. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Discovering and mastering new skills, especially in video creation and editing, opens up a world of possibilities for content makers. Stay tuned for more helpful guides, and happy editing.